Hi guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to queue setup in production server. So few days ago I already published video about how to upload Laravel application to the server, and you can see over here I have already deployed that application. In the same application I am going to show you how to set up queue. So I have already written the article how to send email using the queue. So I am not going to do on that like entire example. I already did that and I can show you that in my local first, okay, and then I will show you, I will upload the code on production and show you the setup. Okay, so let me go here and go to the terminal, and just I will write php artisan serve to run the application. Okay, and I will also open the another window and to use php artisan queue work. So that means it will be listen our queue. Okay, so now let me go here, and in this example they just created, let me go down, you can see that send mail route. Okay, so just copy that and go here and just localhost / send mail, and you can see that email sent successfully. This is very simple example. Now let me go to my email and just refresh it. Just we need to wait a moment to getting the email because maybe let me go to the spam. I think I'm not getting from the spam, but let's wait a moment. Yeah, you can see that Laravel demo mail. So that means it is working perfectly fine in local because I have run over here like running and done. This is a mail job. So you can see over here, this is we need to keep running. It's possible in local, but what if we need to set up in server? So let me go here and let's connect to the server. So I already have SSH access. So let me go here and copy this, just access that server, and we need to add the password. Copy that password and just paste it, and you can see that now I am able to access the server. And now let me go here to the location of the project that I install into the www.ls. You can see that I have a Laravel app. Okay, and you can see that this is the entire application. Let me just pull it from the GitHub if everything is fine. So let me just pull, and you can see that already up to date. So that means this is our application installed in server. Now what I need to do, so I need to just follow the few steps. So let me remove this email. Okay, and now let me go into the my tutorial. So let me go here, and you can see over here at the end you can see that keep Laravel queue system running on the server. So first of all you need to use the supervisor because we are going to use that. So copy that and just paste it and hit enter, and you can see that it just saying supervisor is already installed in the system because I installed it, so that's why. But if you haven't installed it, that it will be installed supervisor. Okay, and then next what we need to do, just go here, go to this path, copy that, and just I will go etc supervisor /conf.d folder. Okay, and here you can see that I don't have any file, so let me clear this first. Okay, now I will create a new file called laravelworker.conf. Okay, so copy that, and I will use the sudo, that's important, sudo nano laravel-worker, hit enter, and you can see that you can edit that file. And here you can see over here I just need to copy this code and just paste it over here, and you can see, or make sure you need to path perfectly where www Laravel app. So this is my server configuration path, but make sure it's your configure. Maybe if you are using the force user or another user, you can change the path, but for now this is fine. Control X, Y, yeah, that's fine. Now next you need to just reload the supervisor. So copy this and just hit that command. Okay, and now let me go copy this supervisor update, and you can see that added the process. So that means this process is added, and now we need to start that process. So copy that and hit enter. Just wait a moment to start the process. Now our server is started. So now let me go here and check the same URL. So I think the URL was send mail. So go here into the live. You can see the Hardik Savanis.dev and /send mail, hit enter. You can see that email is sent successfully. Quickly I have received, and now let me go here and just refresh it, and I think it will take some time to getting. You can see that Laravel demo mail, so you can see over here properly we are getting and set up. So let me go here and refresh it again. You can see that quickly instant refresh, but in the background process sending email is taking time. Just wait. So you can see that. So this will be forever start, so you don't have to worry about that to keep this start like q colon work. That will be in infinite starts. Okay, so you can see Laravel config worker. You can see that here you need to add your path, project path properly, and queue work, that will be continuously start. If you have any problem, then you will receive worker.log file, so you can check it if you have a problem. Okay, so you can see that guys how easily we can set up it. So let me go to my tutorial, and at the end, if you don't know how to send email using queue and you want to do the from scratch, then I have already captured the video, you can see that as well. So at the end guys, if you like this video, then share with your friends, and like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching guys.